Children-Ackee Walk, a Jamaican city full of vibes, culture and history. Children play and children sing and children learn about everything.
And in Ackee Walk, we all reassure each other enough respect.
Ackee Walk, and me say Ackee Walk. We'll have fun round the clock. No muss, no fuss, no fight. Learning about children's rights. Learning about children's rights. Learning about children's rights.
Kingston!
Come inside, Lucy.
Good afternoon, Aunty Lorna. Can Kingston come and play?
I'm sorry, sweetie. Kingston is having a timeout. He was being very naughty today and didn't want to clean his room, so I had to punish him. He has 20 minutes to go, but you can stay with me until he's ready.
Okay, Auntie.
I'm sure you're a good girl who does all of her chores, so you don't get into trouble.
Yes, Auntie. Sometimes I don't want to do them, but Nana reminds me that chores teach me how to take care of myself.
That's true.
I'm glad that Kingston is getting a time out. I hope he learns to do what his mommy says.
You're too sweet, my little Lucy. I'm glad he's getting a timeout too, but for a different reason.
Why is that, Auntie?
Well, back in my day, he wouldn't have gotten a timeout. He would have gotten a beating. When I was little and I did something wrong, my mommy picked a branch from the trees outside and I would feel some licks on my bottom or my hands for doing something wrong.
Really, Auntie?
Yes, Lucy, that was how my parents punished us. They didn't hurt us badly because it wasn't really about the pain. For my parents, it was the way they knew to teach us about learning to listen to them. We listened, but we didn't like it.
So why don't parents beat their children anymore?
In Ackee Walk, it is illegal because some parents hurt their children badly in trying to punish them. Sometimes they may be violent and leave bruises on their children.
Oh no, that is so sad.
Yes, it was just too much. Children have a right to be protected from violence, even if it's their parents who are being violent against them. But that was many years ago.
Clean up your room, and if the floor is dirty, pick up the broom. Children, listen to your parents. Parents, find another way than beating to discipline your children. Violence is just not cool and knock you off. A better way. There's gonna be a better way. Violence is not okay. Violence is not okay. No respect, we say. No respect, we say. No respect, we are say.
Ackee Walk parents are not violent parents. We know how to discipline children when they are naughty, like Kingston. We take away their TV, toys, and games, send them to their rooms, and don't allow them to go out or have treats. All right, his time up is out now. Kingston, you can come out now. Lucy's here. You can go play with her.
Thanks, Mommy. I clean my room next time.
Good boy. Go on. Have fun.
Yay, enough respect.
I'm St. Andrew, the superhero. Remember, violence is never the answer. All children have the right to be protected from being hurt and mistreated, even if the person hurting them is their parents. See you next time on Ackee Walk. And remember we say, enough respect.
Ackee Walk, and me say Ackee Walk.